Come to scene 9, Act 2. It is Belmont, Portia's house, and we see Nerissa enters along with the servant. She tells the servant to hurry up and draw the curtain straight because the Prince of Aragon has taken his oath and now he is coming to make his selection of caskets. So she is asking the servant to draw the curtain straight where the caskets have been kept. And we see Prince of Aragon enters along with his train, means group of assistants, and Portia also enters with them. Now Portia tells the Prince of Aragon to look, there are the 3 caskets, noble prince. If you choose the one that contains a picture of me, we will get married right away. But in case you fail to do so, or if you make the wrong choice, you must leave immediately without saying another word. And the prince replies that he is bound by oath to do 3 things. He says, I am enjoined by oath to observe 3 things. What are these 3 things? First, never to unfold to anyone which casket it was I chose. Means, firstly, I can never tell anyone which casket it was that I chose. Next, if I fail of the right casket, never in my life to woo a maid in way of marriage. Secondly, if I fail to choose the right casket, I will never again woo, means to court any other woman in marriage. And lastly, means the third oath is, if I do fail in fortune of my choice, immediately to leave you and be gone. Means if I fail to make the right choice, I must immediately be gone and leave you. And Portia says that everyone who comes to gamble on winning me has to swear these 3 rules. And the Prince of Aragon says that, okay, I am ready and I hope luck will give me what my heart hopes for. And what many men want, this many could mean that most people. Now he is reading what is written on the casket, the gold, silver and base lead, and the golden casket has the inscription, who chooseth me must give and hazard all he hath. You shall look fairer ere I give or hazard. So he is not ready to give anything in hazard. And who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire. This is written on the next or the silver casket. So he who chooseth me will get deserves. And he says that what many men want, this many could mean that most people are fools and choose by whatever is fleshy. They don't go beyond what their eyes see. So I won't choose what many men desire. He who chooseth me will get what he deserves. Now he comes to the silver casket and reads this inscription and says that no one should have an honor he doesn't deserve. I'll assume I deserve the very best, and he asks for the keys. Give me the keys. I want to unlock my fate here in the second casket, that is the silver one. Now he opens the silver casket and Portia asks him, what did you find here? And the prince replies, "What is this?" There is a picture of an idiot holding a scroll for him to read. So he reads. I will read it. It looks so unlike Portia. This outcome is not what I hoped for or what I deserve. And it's my prize, he says. Don't I deserve more than this? Now he is very disappointed by seeing the picture of a blinking idiot in the casket. And Portia tells him that judging what you deserve is one thing, and offending you is something very different. And then he further reads what is written in the on the scroll of paper. What does this say? And he reads, and what is written? The fire 7 times tried this. 7 times tried that judgment is, that did never choose amiss. Some there be that shadows kiss, such have but a shadow's bliss. There be fools alive, ever I was, silvered ore, and so was this. So he is saying he's reading what is written on the scroll of paper, and it is written that this box was tested in the fire 7 times, and the person who never makes a wrong choice has wisdom that will stand the test. Some people kiss shadows, means they only feel the shadow of joy. There are fools out there with silver hair and silver coins. So now this choice was as foolish as they are. So go away, you are done here. This is written on the piece of paper. The longer I stay, the more foolish I look. And he bids goodbye to Portia. He says, "Goodbye, sweet lady. I'll keep my oath and patiently bear the fate I have earned." And saying so, the prince exits with his. So, note in this scene is that while this scene has much the same effect as the scene of Prince of Morocco's disappointment, as we read in Act 2, Scene 7. But here is an important difference. And what difference is that? That now Portia as well as the audience both know that which casket is the correct one. Means which casket Portia's photo, and it is the lead. Now at the end of this scene, we see that as Portia and Nerissa, they draw a curtain in front of the caskets, a messenger enters with the news that a young Venetian has arrived at the gate to announce the arrival of a lord who has come bearing gifts of rich value and is likely ambassador of love. Now we see that Portia is very excited, and Nerissa also hopes that this Venetian is Bassanio.